Welcome once again to my channel, and today in this amazing video I am going to show you quite an amazing tutorial about the drone Mavic Air 2, and I hope that you will learn a lot. And I personally like this drone very much because of its 48 megapixel camera, and you can also use the still photography, and you can put it to track yourself, and all the other hyperlapse video quality. You can also record 4K video with this drone, so that's quite amazing, and I hope you will like it. So let's go. I'm going to show you now the tutorial, and before we start the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and get the latest updates about our upcoming videos. So let's go. Now I'm going to show you a quite amazing tutorial, and a brief tutorial of the drone what I did buy a couple of days ago. So Mavic Air 2, as you can see on the box, and you can also see like what the specification I did get with it. Basically I did buy a fly mode combo package, and you get some extra propellers as you can see on the screen, and I have like extra lens and two of the extra batteries, so which I have also placed here. So I'm going to show you the stuff one by one. So for example, as you can see, here is the drone, this is the controller, this is the extra battery, and this is the charge hub, and I have the propellers here, and this is the charger for the batteries, and we get an extra bag with that. So for example, you don't need to buy an extra bag. And now I will show you a quite fast and amazing tutorial how to set up the drone and how you can fly it and what requirements do you need. Basically you need to, first of all, if you read the instruction, you can see that what is mandatory to fly a drone, and what things you need to do before flying a drone. So as you can see that I have a cover here on the camera. So first of all, you have to remove it at before you want to start the drone. And after that, for example, you can see that they have designed it very differently, and its wings, upper wings, first of all we have to open them, and then as you have seen that I have to move the wings in the forward position, but the lower wings I cannot move them straight out, so you have to just swipe them down on the both of them, and so its wings are open now. And now you can see that these black cotton rolls on it, I have to remove it if I want to put the propellers, so I have to remove it before that. So I'm going to remove them all. Here you can see them. So I have removed all of the foam things which was placed on the top of the wings. So now if you want to go on a setup and you want to put the propellers, there is a really important thing what you need to understand before you want to put the propellers. So as you can see here on these wings, we have a specific marking. You can see this gray marking, which you don't find it here. So this is the difference between both kind of propellers, which propeller you have to put on which side. So as you can see there on the top of this propeller, you don't see any gray sign, and here if you want to match it, you can see that here is also no marking like this one. So here is no marking, so I'm going to put that propeller here. So the way it's a little bit, if you haven't used any drone before, then you might be in a little bit like confusion about putting the propellers, because you have to hold the lower part of this. You can see that it's a revolving part. You have to hold it, and then you need to put it down, and then just move it to left, so that you will see that it's fixed. So and now I'm gonna show you about this marking. As you can see on the top of the propeller, there is a marking, white gray colors marking, and here also you have some marking. So you need to hold it, press inside, and same you have to do on the other one. I'm gonna show you. And this is the without marking, so I'm going to put it here. So our drone is set to fly. We just have before that I'm going to show you a couple of more amazing things which will be really interesting for you to know. So this charging hub, we have an amazing 3-port charging hub. So basically if you want to charge the batteries, you can put 3 batteries at a time. Basically it's charging only 1 battery at a time, but you can place all of them. For example, if you have some work to do before that and you want to put all of them to charge, so it will charge one by one. It's quite amazing, and it's quite a new thing for the drones. It's quite amazing technology. And this is the extra battery here I have with me, and this is the controller. As you can see that the difference between this controller is and the other controllers, they did build the holder inside the controller. So with the old controllers you have to have an extension for the phone holder, or if you are using any device, so you have to have that extra, but now they just put it built in. And for example, they did provide this with 2 type of USB ports, USB cables. Basically it's for iPhone and also for Samsung. So you can see here, so both of the charging cables are, you can see connecting cables are in my hand. So when you are connecting the phone with your controller, one of them, for example, the most amazing thing what I did find in this drone, and amazing thing about the connecting cables. Before, you know that if you have used any Phantom series drone, that we have to connect our phone or device which you are controlling drone, so you have to connect it through Wi-Fi. But now you can connect it. What you have to do is basically you have to connect the other side inside the controller, and the part which you are going to use, you have to connect it with the phone, and you can there now directly charge your phone. Also, there is also an option, if you want to charge the phone, you can also do that with the same cable on the same time. So now you can see here they have also built in the sticks. These are really amazing sticks, so I'm taking them out and also placing on the top. So now I will put my phone over here, and you can see that I will connect it this way. So as you can see, and this one is the extra battery. I am not going to use it right now because I don't need to, so I'm not going to open it for now, but just to show you that what I got with the drone. So now almost everything set to go. So to start your phone application in your phone, so I have to find DJI Fly. This is the application which is supported with Mavic Air 2 and Mavic Mini. So I have already installed that. So now I'm going to start the controller. You have to hold and press the button 2 times, and then I will do it same thing with the drone. And you can see the beeping sound, and this is because I am controlling, I'm starting the drone inside the house, which is basically not allowed. There is quite interesting thing inside the drone, inside this new updated drone, that if you place it at some place where it is not allowed, it will not fly. So you will get a proper notification about that, you need to shut it down, or it is in the restricted area. So that's why this is the notification. So as you can see in the screen here, you can see the notification that it's in prohibited zone. So I'm not going to fly it, but this was just an instruction to show you. So if you want to turn on the drone, you just have to press these buttons to the downside. If I'm going to do it, then it will start its wings, so which I'm not going to do right now. So this was a quite short and brief tutorial about drone Mavic Air 2. So further videos and updates will be posted as I will start using it and make amazing videos for you. So for more videos, please subscribe to our channel and you will get more amazing videos in upcoming days. Thank you. So this was a quite short and amazing tutorial about Mavic Air 2. I hope you like it and you learned a lot about drones. If you are interested in drones or if you haven't tried Mavic Air 2, it's a quite amazing drone. It has 48 megapixel camera, and so what specification does Mavic Air 2 has and not the other drones? Basically it has 48 megapixel camera and it has still photography, and you can put it on follow me mode and obstacles and color defined technology. So there are quite a lot of things, and as you know that there are some applications which you can install in your phone for further editing or this stuff. So basically on the whole, I would my experience about Mavic Air 2 is quite amazing. I did buy it and use it, and you get really good video qualities, and you can basically control it with your fingertips. So I hope you like the video, I hope you like the tutorial, and you have learned a lot. So see you in next videos. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep watching. Thank you.